How to change language in Outlook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch any web browser. Navigate to search bar. Type in outlook.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to sign in to your account. Navigate to gear icon at top right corner to access settings. Click on it. Now click on General option. Here you will find language and time at the bottom of this screen. Currently it has been set to English United States. Select language. You can see the list of languages. You can easily scroll down and look for the language you are convenient using this app. Afterwards, you can easily select the language of your choice. So let's choose English of United Kingdoms, and this will rename default folders so the names match the specified language. Or you can uncheck and then not make any changes for your default folders. Then click on Save button, and with that you have successfully changed language in Outlook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.